Coming through the crags o' Kyle among the bonny bloomin' heather, there I met a bonny lassie keeping all her yowes thegether. O'er the moor among the heather, o'er the moor among the heather, there I met a bonny lassie keeping all her yowes thegether. Says I, my dear, where is thy hame, in moor or dale, pray tell me whether? She says, I tend they fleecy flocks that feed among the bloomin' heather. O'er the moor among the heather, o'er the moor among the heather, she says, I tend they fleecy flocks that feed among the bloomin' heather. We laid a stone upon a bank, say warm and sunny was the weather. She left her flocks at large to rove among the bonny bloomin' heather. O'er the moor among the heather, o'er the moor among the heather, she left her flocks at large to rove among the bonny bloomin' heather. While thus we lay, she sang a song till echo rang a mile and farther, and aye the burden o' the song was o'er the moor among the heather. O'er the moor among the heather, o'er the moor among the heather, and aye the burden o' the song was o'er the moor among the heather. She charmed my heart and days and sign, I couldna think on ony other. By sea and sky she shall be mine, the bonny lass among the heather. O'er the moor among the heather, o'er the moor among the heather, by sea and sky she shall be mine, the bonny lass among the heather. That song has not appeared in a Burns songbook since, I believe, since 1903, at least none of the major editions. James Dick was the last one to include it in the Songs of Robert Burns. Why is this? Because Burns said in his notes to his friend's copy of the Scots Musical Museum that it was by Gene Glover. Well, Burns also said that he took down Auld Lang Syne from the singing of an old man. He never claimed a word of that song. Somehow that ends up in Burns' songbooks. Burns took a poem by Agnes MacLehose called Talk Not of Love. It had 12 lines. He added a third verse, replaced the fourth verse, and rewrote the seventh line of her poem and put it to a tune. And he said in the same set of notes, he said, this song is by Clorinda. Why would he not have revised this song? Davidson Cook, who has found some Burns manuscripts and transcribed them for the Burns Chronicle. This is in Davidson Cook's Annotations of Scottish Songs by Burns, printed in Lowe's edition of Scots Musical Museum. He had this verse. O vow, and I had her, o'er the moor among the heather, all her friends shouldna get her, till I had made her loo me better. Rather crude. Did the same person write that and she charmed my heart and ace and sign, I couldna think on ony other, by sea and sky she shall be mine, the bonny lass among the heather, just bristling with beautiful internal rhymes. In true Burnsian style, yes, Burns revised this lyric, and quite beautifully. You can also look at the sound of ang here. While thus we lay, she sang a sang. song. She sang a song. Did he say sang? He said sang. While thus we lay, she sang a song, till echo rang a mile and farther, and the burden o' the sang was o'er the moor among the heather. He loved to gang up those lyrical effects. And anyway, I think it's quite beautiful. I love this particular set of this old dance tune for this lyric. And this setting is by James Aird, published in his Selection of Scots, Irish, English, and Foreign Airs, Volume 5. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. I've been working on research for a book of Burns songs for the last 9 years, and I'll probably be another year or two, and then we will find a way to publish it. It'll be called Glorious Work, which is one of his phrases. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.